Today, we're talking about a screenless fitness tracker that gathers health metrics. It's called Whoop, and it's changing the wearables game. Let's check it out. Whoop is for anyone who wants to understand and improve their overall health. This device tracks your recovery, sleep, strain, stress, and health, coaching you towards your goals with personalized recommendations and data-driven insights. So how does it do it? Well, it's technical, but it uses a combination of cutting-edge technology and advanced algorithms to monitor and analyze your body's data. By doing this, Whoop helps you make informed decisions about your strain, sleep, and recovery, optimizing your performance and overall well-being. In short, it's giving you a bunch of info so you can adjust to hit your goals, info that you otherwise might not have. To set up your Whoop 4.0, simply download the app and pair it to your device using its Bluetooth connection. Now, it does require a membership, but when you join the Whoop community, you get a 12-month prepaid membership. The benefit of the membership is that Whoop launches new features and enhancements all the time that don't require you to buy new hardware. So after you get it paired, the 1-year included membership is activated and you're ready to go. You'll also receive the Whoop 4.0 sensor, the sleek Onyx SuperKnit band, and the Whoop battery pack 4.0. The battery pack charges with the included USB cable. Then, when your Whoop needs some extra juice, simply slide the battery pack on. You can even charge it with the battery pack while wearing it. Also, no need to worry about getting it a little wet. The Whoop 4.0 is waterproof in depths up to 32 feet for up to 2 hours. Even the battery pack is waterproof at depths up to 3 feet for 2 hours. So you can continue to capture your data with zero interruptions. The science behind Whoop is genuinely fascinating. Using a combination of heart rate variability, or HRV, resting heart rate, sleep, and respiratory rate, Whoop calculates your daily recovery score. This score helps you understand how ready your body is to tackle the day, whether training, working, or simply going about your daily activities. Whoop's strain and sleep scores go beyond what most wearables offer. The strain score measures both physical and mental stress, not just during exercise, but also throughout the day, capturing even the smallest activities. In addition to tracking cardiovascular strain, Whoop can also measure the impact of strength training workouts, providing a comprehensive view of the strain on both the cardiovascular and musculoskeletal systems. Whoop even gives you daily insights about your stress and science-backed techniques to help manage it. It has a stress monitor that can calculate a personalized stress score from 0 to 3 in real time, all based on your HRV and heart rate. Based on your score, you can choose a breathwork session to either increase your alertness for performance or increase relaxation in a stressful moment. The sleep score evaluates the hours of sleep your body needs compared to the sleep you receive. Whoop also breaks down your sleep every night, looking at how long you spent in every stage to help you understand the quality of your sleep, not just the quantity. Whoop tracks your sleep with sleep lab accuracy too. Whoop offers a performance-driven lens on overall health, a membership model that keeps you up to date with the latest features, personalized metrics that calibrate to your body in real time, and accurate readings beyond steps, like heart rate variability and skin temperature. It also offers coaching recommendations, mental health features, and women's health features. It integrates with third-party apps like Apple Health, Strava, and Training Peaks. All right, let's talk about the Whoop app. It connects seamlessly and translates data into actionable next steps for you and your goals. Let's dive into some of the app's features. The Sleep Coach feature helps you understand when to go to bed to optimize your performance for the following day. It even wakes you up using a quiet, vibrating haptic alarm. Pretty cool if you share a room. Based on your recovery score, Strain Coach recommends the optimal target exertion range for your daily activities, so you don't under or overtrain. The Whoop Journal allows you to track the impact of over 140 daily habits and behaviors to understand what works for you, helping you make better lifestyle choices. The performance assessments will show your weekly and monthly progress and spot trends in your sleep, strain, and recovery data. And get this, with a huge range of bands for Whoop, you can find the perfect one to match your personality and taste. Whether you're into vibrant colors, sleek designs, or patterns, there's a Whoop band for everyone. Well, there you have it. Whoop can be a game changer for anyone looking to level up their health and wellness journey. With its innovative technology, personalized coaching, and sleek design, Whoop might be a great companion to help you achieve your goals. Until next time, stay healthy and motivated, and remember to drop a comment below to share your thoughts on Whoop or ask any questions you might have. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.